Good morning guys! So bumangon po si Inday Marian kasi po si Mr. Alice po and yun yung pusa is sobrang cute and of course dito na naman siya sa kama kasi nga itong aking mga alaga is talagang walang kukontra kapag nasa aming kama. Yun. Spoiled kasi. Good morning! Morning guys. So, yun. Alis na naman si Mr. Nakauwi siya kagabi. And then alis na naman siya kasi nga yun yung yun yung talaga yung ano niya, trabaho niya, no? Iwan ako. So yun yung trabaho niya, iwan si Inday Marian. So kaya wala na tayong magawa, day. Pirmi nang taiwan, day. Sige, sige, pangitag kwarta, day. Kita din, day. Sige, lonely, guys. Table, just for one, just Inday Marian, oy. Nako, talagang buhay na ito ba? Inilagay ko yung ano ko kasi kahit nasa loob ng bahay tayo, guys. Ano tayo, parang protected sa ano, coldness. I put all the thing here, honey. In the fireplace in here. Huh? So, do you want breakfast now? Banana bread. It's up to you. I love you. You sure you don't want food? You're gonna be starving over there. There's no restaurant. You're in the mountainside. So, punta si Tami sa ano, guys. Kaya na ganin dito sa Amerika, meron pa silang drive-through movie theater. You drive and then you walk through. No, it's not. They drive and then they stay in the car, guys. And then doon sila sa sasakyan, manonood ng movie. Right, love? Is drive-in theater. Doon sa...
There used to be tons of them years ago when I was young.
Yeah, now it's not common.
None left.
Yeah, now it's not common.
Too much property.
Well, is it gonna should be big land? So, how about the farther? If you park far, you can still see the freaking movie. Oh, is it gonna be clear? Like,
Yes. Now it's getting dark earlier. They got an extra movie.
plato na mo, guys, mga puti. At hindi ito matipak. Hindi ito matawag dito, mga bungkag ba? Okay. It's colder up there, you know. Ang dami naming glass. Kailangan kong bumili din dito ng rug sa dito na area kasi guys, kapag merong mga splashes, look, meron akong towel dito. Pang ganun ba? Kasi wala akong rug. Kailangan kong bumili ng waterproof na rug or water resistant na rug. Dito dapat malaki kasi every time na magwash si Tami at ako, meron talaga siyang splashes. So kailangan kong bumili niyan. Kasi nanonotice ko yung ibang tubig na hindi ko makikita at hindi ko magano nito. Yung magbubble yung wood, parang magkang-as siya. At ayaw ko kasi, you know, real wood man itong aming sahig, pero kapag palaging natutubigin kasi alam nyo na. Sobrang dikit na dikit kasi yung floor namin, di ba? Dikit na dikit. And then kapag palaging na anuhan ng maliit na tubig and hindi nalinis, mag-ano siya, parang mag-shrink or mag-expand or something. Guys, nakauwi si Tami kagabi, mga 12. And then, ngayon aalis. Pero hindi siya magpunta sa city. Magpunta po siya sa more upstate. Yung mga movie theater. Hindi siya movie theater. Drive-through movies. Mag-drive. Pero, meron silang ilagay na machine kasi sila Tami, hinahire din yan sila. Hindi lang sa movie, yung mga premiere, may mga palabas na movie, ganun. Si Tami kasi, siya, AV-Tech. So, alam niya yung mga technician, mga ganun, i-connect dito, connect doon. Mga adjusting the color sa screen. Kasi, kapag maglagay ka ng movie sa screen, lalo na sa mga malalaking movie theater, alam din ni Tami yan, yung mag-adjust ng mga kulay ba. So, kasi kapag malaking screen, dapat adjust the size, adjust yung temperature ng kulay, saturation, exaggeration siya. So, yun, marami-rami ding nagtatanong. Si Tami kasi all over the place kasi itong trabaho niya, guys. Ay. Hindi mo mag-gauge gets this October. Luckily, usually pag October, meron pong ano si Tami, tawag from ibang bansa. Yung mga movie nila, yun siya. Once a year yan, every October. Pero for some reason, hindi si Tami tinawagan this year. Let me ask him why he is not doing this movie. Hey, I have a question. Remember every October, this guy from Greek, is that Greek?
Yeah.
Greek, they always ask you to edit the movie and those stuff. So why this October none?
No, he called me the other day.
Oh, he called you the other
He
day?
feels really bad because a new girl in charge of the thing. And
He hired somebody.
Somebody in California. Don't feel bad, Jimmy. Honestly, I just, I more did it for you. The amount of hours I put in, I don't get anywhere near the money I should get.
Yeah.
So don't feel bad about it.
And
So I thought, yeah, but I really feel guilty. I even feel guilty calling you. I feel like, what are you gonna do? But you've been helping me for so many years.
so that girl is gone, and then there is a new woman and hire different people. So that means he's still involved with it.
He's little by little, he's less involved.
Oh, he's less
He has been
involved.
for about a year, right?
Oh,
The last couple of shows, he's like, oh, he called me up. I go, I'm not really doing this. They're doing it. Like,
yeah, because every October, before October, you're very busy.
that's okay. Here's the thing. It will cost them at least 5 times as much as I charge.
A lot of money, huh?
At least 5 times. But then when they call me back,
No, don't do it.
because when their accounting says how much costing us so much more, and they call me back,
Yeah, because now you are now the like, they return to you because you
I
charge
did
them
it a
less.
favor to Jimmy more than anything else.
Yeah, you do everything. You order stuff, you stuff shit.
Yeah, that's fine. Love ya.
I love you. I love you, Duffy.
Love ya.
Hey.
Have a good day.
Hey,
Hey, what?
careful driving.
Yeah.
My nose. Yeah. Huh? There's no Wi-Fi yesterday, last
I
night.
know, but the new plugs I got.
You're not full. I can do that too. Hey. Bye-bye. Okay. Sino yan? Maglaba lang po tayo ng ating mga higaan dito guys, no? Ilang weeks na ito walang laba-laba, so kailangan na murang nagkati-kati naman ng bisong. Sorry po, pasensya na po. Ay nako, ganito po talaga yung buhay guys. Kailangan ting labahan, no, para hindi tayo mga tinito, parang mayroon ng mga nagkakamang-kamang naman dito. Itong bedsheets namin, bedsheets namin guys, no, kasi ano siya guys, yung parang wala hindi puti guys, kahit anong kulay guys, okay na yun, basta kayo magamit guys, yung mga old na gamit ni Tami at saka kaibiyanan, ginamit ko, bawal itapon guys, sayang pagtapon ay bili-bili ng bago, save lang naman yan, no? So kaya yun yung mga ginamit ko, yung mga old nila, kasi magastos din, magbili-bili tayo ng mga bago. So nag all around talaga, hindi may laba dito, laba doon, linis dito, linis doon. So itong time na ito is andito pa sa Tami, no, pero late po siyang pumasok sa sa ibang araw na po kasi ito guys. Alam niyo naman itong vlog natin is untol-untol, no, mag-untol-untol nyo, mag-hawid kayo guys, mag-untol-untol. So yeah, but you like long hair. My husband like long hair. I need to cut my hair down. This is not good. So, bago daw siya alis, manigrilyo daw siya dito guys. Pero inaway ko siya dito kasi nga ang tagal-tagal naman niyang wala talagang off guys. Maluluka ka talaga. Kasi talagang ang dami namin mga gawain. At yung inuunan niya ng trabaho, adoy, nag-apas og kwarta rin dudong, ay kwarta rin mag-iapas ano yun. Ang dami pa namin ipa-file guys, og berno guys, iwan ko na ito sa mister. Yung tax namin ba, extension namin late.
September 20.
Ay, ay, ay. You have a lot, I can see it from here.
Doesn't look low. Should be low.
Like
Last longer. Love you, Ann.
I love you.
Love you too.
I hope you can find parking.
Yeah, that's
Here, right here.
this hour today.
Ang dami kong issue guys, no? Yung tax namin hindi na na-file. Ay, nako talaga. At saka ito, pagod na pagod sa trabaho. Grabe talaga yung parang ako yung na-stress sa mga pinagagawa niya guys. Grabe talaga. Stressful talaga yung buhay niya. Takot din ako na makatulog ito doon sa mag-drive guys. Wala tumutulog. Uy, pagod sa trabaho. Kalokohan talaga itong mga pinagagawa ni Mr. Ganito na talaga yung ano niya. Wala na siyang pahinga. Ako yung natakot para sa kanya kasi alam niyo na konting tulog kasi gising sigarilyo yan siya. Kasalanan talaga niya lahat guys kasi mahilig siyang You okay? You have your watch? Oh. Hey, high five. Oh, you have the key. Which key is that? Para mawala yung stress ko guys kasi talagang ilang buwan na itong stress ko. Every time na yearly talaga yung problema namin guys about tax, no? Mahina talaga sa amin sa tax guys, no? Always ano siya mag-file ng extension. Nandun ako na stress, maglaban na lang tayo dito kigwa. Grabe talaga. Iwan ko na lang guys. Sarap ano, kusi-kusiun itong asawa ko guys, yung mga sobrang liit na kusi guys na masakit-sakit na parang hamigas na siya, pinapaak na ba ganun. Ganun yung style na kusi. Yung talagang masaktan siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. Yung ano, chicken ba? Look, it's still frozen kasi galing sa freezer, no? So, ilagay natin dyan siya. Dito lang muna tayo guys. Salamat po sa inyong panonood guys. Pahinga lang muna ang stress na babae after nitong kumain talaga. Bye.